Hello everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful bag hanging flower, a cute handmade accessory that can decorate your bag, backpack, keychain, or even your room. This project is beginner friendly, relaxing, and very fun to crochet. Before we begin, please prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch until the end because your support gives us more motivation to create new crochet tutorials for you every week. Now let's start crocheting together. For round 1, begin with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring, then finish with a slip stitch. Great start everyone! Keep your stitches soft, and even so, the flower center looks neat and round. Next to round 2, chain 1 and make 6 increases around the circle for a total of 12 stitches, then finish with a slip stitch. Wonderful job! Your flower is already getting bigger. Tip: using a stitch marker can help beginners keep track of the first stitch more easily. For round 3, chain 1 and crochet 12 single crochets around, then finish with a slip stitch. Very nice work. Try to maintain consistent tension to make the flower look smooth and professional. Moving on to round 4, repeat the same process with chain 1 and 12 single crochets around, then finish with a slip stitch. Excellent! Your flower base should now look balanced and clean. Tip: gently flatten the piece with your fingers while crocheting to keep the shape even. For round 5, we will crochet into the front loops only. Repeat this pattern 12 times. Slip stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch. Beautiful. The flower petals are starting to bloom. Keep your chain stitches relaxed so the petals open softly and naturally. Next to round 6, crochet into the back loops only. Repeat 12 times. Slip stitch, chain 4, 1 puff stitch, chain 4, and slip stitch. Amazing work, everyone. This layer creates a fuller and more elegant flower effect. Tip: make your puff stitches slightly taller for a softer and fluffier texture. Now let's crochet the leaf. Chain 8, skip the first chain, then crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and continue working on the opposite side with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then finish with a slip stitch. Chain 7 and finish with another slip stitch. Wonderful job! The leaf gives the flower a fresh and natural look. Tip: gently shape the leaf with your fingers after finishing to make it look cleaner and prettier. Finally, crochet the hanging strap using chain stitches. Adjust the strap length depending on your personal preference. You can make it short for a cute bag charm or longer for hanging decoration. Excellent work, everyone! Your handmade bag hanging flower is now complete. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and had a relaxing time. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Watching the full video really helps motivate us to continue creating more beautiful crochet tutorials for you. See you again in the next video. Happy crocheting and have a lovely day.